Namaskaram everyone. I hope all of you are doing healthy, safe and great wherever you are. Today we'll be making a very different chutney called as walnut chutney. Walnuts, as you all know, has got a lot of health properties, but they are a little bit expensive in India. But once in a while we can prepare this chutney. It goes very well with bread, roti, chapati and puri. Now let's get into the video and see how to make this tasty walnut chutney in the pranic method. You see the video? Did you like it? I hope you will try this tasty pranic recipe and let us know. We'll see you soon in the next cooking video. Until then, my namaskar to all of you.